Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the 23SNAPS app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the 23SNAPS app, it creates a private ad-free space for parents to share kids' photos and video with just family and close friends. It's praised for its simplicity, strong privacy focus, and ease of use, especially good if you want to skip social media and keep things more personal within your family. However, users note several limitations. The interface feels dated, some core features are behind paid upgrade, and there are recurring reports of crashes or upload issues, especially on Android users. 23SNAPS is actually worth using if you prioritize private family sharing and don't mind paying for premium features. So, if you want more modern interface or strong free option, you might want to explore more alternatives app compared to 23SNAPS. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more app review.